Hello, welcome to Seal from the Heart Creations. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I upgraded my craft room down in my basement. And what you're about to see is very strange. I look like a hoarder here. But here's everything that I have in the two craft rooms that I have downstairs, and I'm only going to be setting up the first room. As you can see, I'm showing you the different tables and everything that I had ordered from Wayfair. There's the wallpaper that I had started, in which I'm gonna wallpaper that whole side over there white. That couch is leaving, and it's just me unpacking everything here, just showing you everything that I'm getting ready to put together. I had ordered 4 tables to include a couple of storage cabinets and wall cabinets, and you will see the result very soon. I am not a affiliate of Wayfair. I just ordered everything from Wayfair except for the wallpaper, and that was done on Amazon. So as we move forward here, you will see the finished product. But before we go there, this is just a little snippet of me actually putting together all of the storage tables and craft and sewing machine tables. I'm moving over here now, where I'm going to show you the finished product of my sewing / craft table. And as you see, it has a leaf that can come up, and it stands open with the door open on that right side. Have a good little storage in there. And then we moving over here, and you would see the craft table. It has like a hutch behind it, and it's attached to the hutch. It has front door cabinets. My granddaughter just want to show everything. She was videotaping this. It has these two doors here that opens, and it has 2 shelves over there. And then you have your other 2 shelves at the other door opening, and then it's another in the back of the hutch. There is a storage area, but I will be using that for my Cricut. I had to get back to business because I really wanted to get this done, and it took me about, I guess, 3 days to get it completed, and I'm just screwing and screwing and screwing. So I now here we are with the finished product. That's the storage cabinet, and my sweetie, he nailed that up, or should I say screwed that into the wall so it won't tilt over. That's the sewing machine / craft table. We're moving over to the craft table with the hutch in the back and the wall cabinets. That was also screwed into the wall. The white wallpaper. I love white. It just makes everything so crisp and clean. It gives you a good mindset, especially when you're crafting. I have a little space over there for my ladders and my ironing board, and I'm just moving along to show you the different tables that I have purchased from Wayfair and put together. And I'm going to move around the room a little bit more. You see underneath of it, on that back wall there, that's my crafts that I'm trying to do. I moved my look at here, y'all. I have a auto heat press by HTV Vaunt. That heat press over there, I knew that it wasn't going to work, but I decided I'm not waiting to open this one to go past the time to actually return it if something is wrong. So we're going to go ahead and open this right now on camera, and I just want to show you how well HT Vaunt All HTV Von always pack their products. They're very, very good in packing it so that there won't be any broken pieces. Everything is real tight and snug inside of the box. You know, it can't, even if it goes, if you put it on the bottom or the top, it won't move too much in the box. As you can see that the styrofoam is all around it. Then it has a piece that's on top. They give you the manual right there on top where you don't have to really look through the box to find it. So I'm just gonna remove this from the box. I'm doing voiceover, so I may be a little ahead or behind, but hopefully you will get the gist of what I'm trying to say. And I cannot pick this up, so I'm gonna go ahead. See how that's tucked all in there real nice? So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the side of the box so that I can go ahead and pull this, just slide it out instead of trying to pull it out, because I can't put it out. The styrofoam is just so stuck in there together and I can't move it. So I'm gonna tear the outside out and just slide it on out. Just give me a little time here, and I'm ripping it apart. As you see, it's coming. Okay, here it goes out of the box. I can't wait to use this, you guys. I hope you enjoy the makeover of my new craft room. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. And you have a marvelous holiday. And don't forget, hit that bell for the upcoming video that I'm going to have using my HTV Von automatic heat press.